Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage pictures not showing, it's stuck on loading. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me tell you that if you try to download picture on iMessage and it's not working for you, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all, you have to open settings and make sure that you are properly connected with internet. If don't, just simply you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off. Now after that guys, if you are using Wi-Fi, just simply you have to turn your connection into mobile data or vice versa, and after that check if it was working or not. If it's still not working guys, you have to scroll it on, tap on general. From here guys, you have to scroll it on and just simply you have to make sure that you are not connected with VPN, and also make sure that your date and time is correct. Now from here guys, you have to go to iPhone storage. Let me tell you that, so from here you have to make sure that you have enough storage, okay guys, because if you don't have storage, that's why you're facing the error like this, or your videos are not downloading or the pictures are not downloading. So from here you have to go to software update and also make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. At the end guys, you have to open setting, then you have to scroll it down, then you have to go to iMessage and make sure that you have turned this to alone. Now from here guys, if you are using your iMessage with your email address, just simply have to change it to iPhone and restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.